Hello, I'm Mario. I'm going to show you how to use our stair adapter with a crane stretcher. A crane stretcher has a much longer body than a Roberts stretcher, so you want this set all the way back. The other thing you want to make sure of that you have this pitch downward, and you do that with this adjustment right here. The way you want to set it, you set it on the stairway, and because you're only stretching 18 inches, you don't need much handle in order to achieve this. And the way you do it is just put some downward pressure with your hand and push down on the handle. If you notice, the handle locks in the position that I want, and then I just simply pin it and release it, and then I stair tool it in. I next move it to the next position, and I just put it on the stair like this. The handle in this slanted position, and I can hold it down with the spreader as well, and I just push down on the handle. When I get the stretch I need, it just stays in position. I pin it, release it, and then I move it to the final position. I just put it on the stair again, and again I just push down on it and push down on the handle till it locks, and it'll lock in any position. As long as I have half of this caught on the step like this, I'm good. And I'm going to do that again for you. I'm just going to put some downward pressure on it, and I press down on the handle, let it lock, pin it, and then release it. Then I would go ahead and stair tool it in, and then move to the next position. If you needed some stretch across, you can also do that with this tool. You just angle it and press down on it and let it lock. Remember, you're stretching 18 inches only, and that you don't have to have the handle up all the way up like this. You want it like that. Set it on the step, put your downward pressure on it, push down on the handle, and let it lock, and pin it. It's just that simple. To use it any other way would be foolish, and it wouldn't work properly for you. So the thing to remember, handle in about that position, and put your downward pressure on it. Just kind of bend your knee, push down on the handle, and when you get it tight, just let it lock, pin it. That's simple. Not hard to use at all. You just have to follow some basic instructions in regard to the tool. Thank you very much, and I'm Mario, and I'm the inventor of the Triforce stretching system. And thank you very much.